plastic bottles from cleaning agents from each household each month is creating a major problem. On average, a household might use about 10 plastic bottles per month for various cleaning products, for example, floor cleaner, hand wash, etc. Total number of discarded bottles from average number of households leads to 2,400 million plastic bottles in 12 months, which ultimately end up in the landfills. Also, the chemicals commonly used in cleaning agents like SLES, bleaches, ammonia, etc. are hazardous to marine life and can end up affecting our health if we consume them.
Our ecosphere-based solution made out of water and Sapindus mucoraceae is the solution for all the cleaning problems. It is useful for various cleaning needs like hand wash, dish wash, floor cleaner, laundry, etc. Our solution is completely organic, natural, homemade, non-toxic, and it also helps in promoting and reviving our age-old indigenous knowledge of Ayurveda.
Amazing product, 5-star.
I can see my face in this vessel. It's that clean.
Can you add some fragrance? It is very basic smell.
So, these are the feedbacks that we have got from our products. We have also ordered essential oil from Amazon, lavender, lemongrass, rose, etc. We are waiting for the response.
By adopting this in each household, we can reduce plastic waste, save money, and switch to a safer, greener and natural product. So, all our products were made in less than 499 rupees. We ordered 1 kg of Sapindus mucoraceae that costed around 150 rupees, then white vinegar 500 ml that costed 160 rupees, glycerine 200 ml that costed us 150 rupees, and rest lemon, jaggery and salt was easily available at home. Do join us, like and share this video with everyone.